Let us start with the GK famous places in India. Let's start. Which place is this? Which place is this? 1, 2, 3. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose statue in Gate, India Gate. Next. 2. Which place is this? This is the highest world largest statue. This is Statue of Unity, Vallabhbhai Patel, Gujarat. Third question. Which place is this? Howrah Bridge, situated at Kolkata. Question 4. Let's see the place. Which place is this? 3, 2, 1. India Gate, New Delhi. Next. Question number 5. Which place is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which place is this? Gateway of India, Mumbai. 6. Which place is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tell me. Hawa Mahal, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Hawa Mahal. Question number 7. Which place is this? Let's start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Jaldi. Ellora Cave, Maharashtra. Next, question number 8. Which place is this? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Which place is this? Golconda Fort, Telangana. Next question number 9. Which place is this? 2, 1. Red Fort, situated. Which place? कमेंट बॉक्स पे कमेंट लिखिएगा आप कहाँ का है ये रेड फोर्ट कहाँ पर. Which place is this? Just like a dome. 1. Auroville, Puducherry, or we call Pondicherry also. Next. 11. Question number 11, very important. Last one, second last. Which place is this? 4, 3, 2, 1. कहाँ का है भाई? Qutub Minar, situated at New Delhi, India. Last, second last. Okay, question number 12. सबसे last. Which place is this? 4, 3, 2, 1. New Delhi. Thank you very much and thank you for watching. इसी तरह वीडियो देखने के लिए चैनल को लाइक और सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को शेयर करिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच फ्रेंड. थैंक यू. कीप वाचिंग. बाय बाय.